Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about CSTONE PHARMA-B interim report. CSTONE Pharmaceuticals offers a range of innovative treatments for various types of cancer and other medical conditions. The company's products include CSTONE Sutimlimab for non-small cell lung cancer, gastric adenocarcinoma, esophageal squamous cell carcinoma, and natural killer/T-cell lymphoma GAVRITO, pralsetinib, for RET mutant medullary and RET fusion-positive thyroid cancers, as well as NSCLC and multiple tumors, AYVAKIT avapritinib, for gastrointestinal stromal tumors and systematic mastocytosis. In addition to these products, CSTONE's pipeline includes nafuzinlimab CS1003, a PD-1 antibody for hepatocellular carcinoma CS1002, CS2009, CS2011, CS5007, CS5005, CS5008, CS5005R, CS5006, and CS5009 for solid tumors, CS5001 for solid tumors and hematologic malignancies, CS2013, and CS2015 for autoimmune diseases. These treatments aim to address the unmet medical needs of cancer patients in mainland China and internationally. The stock price of CSTONE Pharmaceuticals, HKEX, 2616, has skyrocketed by 571.14% in the past year, driven by a series of positive developments. Key regulatory approvals, strategic partnerships, advancements in its drug pipeline, improved financial performance, and increased investor confidence have all contributed to this substantial increase. Regulatory approvals have been a major driver of CSTONE's success, with the company receiving approval for Sutimlimab, PD-1, in Europe and China, as well as authorization for local production of GAVRITO, pralsetinib, in China. Strategic collaborations and licensing deals have also played a significant role, including partnerships with Pharma, Hengrui Pharmaceuticals, and Istituto Gentili. Advancements in CSTONE's drug pipeline have been another key factor, with its blockbuster product, CS5001, Ro-Ron ADC, showing rapid progress in global clinical trials. Improved financial performance has also contributed to the company's success, with CSTONE achieving first-time profitability in the first half of 2024 and narrowing its net loss by 57% in 2023. Increased investor confidence has also been a major factor, with insider buying by CEO Jiangxin Yang and GIC Private Limited increasing its stake in CSTONE PHARMA-B. The company's ability to raise significant funds through share placements and sales of shares has also boosted investor confidence. Overall, the combination of regulatory approvals, strategic partnerships, advancements in its drug pipeline, improved financial performance, and increased investor confidence have all contributed to CSTONE Pharmaceuticals' remarkable stock price increase. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline can be summarized into the following key points. Revenue growth is primarily driven by new indications approved by regulatory agencies, commercial collaborations and partnerships, guideline and academic recognition, increase in royalty income from Sutimlimab, and an increase in cost of revenue due to inventory write-downs. On the other hand, revenue decline is mainly attributed to a decrease in sales of pralsetinib due to price adjustments, one-time milestone payments for Sutimlimab gastric cancer approval in China, lack of one-time milestone payments and material out-licensing arrangements, decline in sales of pharmaceutical products, and decline in license fee income. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes. Notably, bank borrowings fluctuated between 219% increase, page 61, and a substantial decrease of RMB 257,383, page 62. Additionally, total bank borrowings decreased from RMB 328,564,000 to RMB 150 million, page 75. However, finance costs actually decreased by RMB 0.4 million due to lower interest on bank borrowings, page 22, indicating a reduction in interest expenses. Overall, the company's debt level and interest expenses have experienced considerable fluctuations throughout the period. The company's financial summary reveals that it has not distributed any dividends to its shareholders. Furthermore, there is no record of the company engaging in share buyback activities. This suggests a focus on reinvesting profits within the business rather than returning value to investors through these means. Concerns over inventory buildup and supply chain disruption, the financial summary highlights two pressing issues that warrant attention. Firstly, there are concerns about inventory buildup, indicating a potential surplus of goods that may lead to decreased sales or reduced profitability. Secondly, supply chain disruption is also a concern, which could result in delayed deliveries, increased costs, and compromised customer satisfaction. These issues underscore the need for careful management and mitigation strategies to prevent these problems from affecting business operations. That concludes the financial summary. For CSTONE Pharma-B, feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.